How to download your TikTok now to Camera Roll. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to download your TikTok now to your Camera Roll. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok Now app, and this is where you will get. You can go to your TikTok Nows and it will show you the latest TikTok Now that you uploaded. So what you can do is you can actually go to your profile by clicking right here, and it will take you to your profile of TikTok Now. Here, if I scroll down a little bit, I have memories, and in memories, I will be able to find all of the TikTok Now that I have posted. Let's say I want to download these TikTok Now to my gallery. For that, let's open it up. I'm going to download this one. You will find these three dots at the top right corner. Click on it, and then we have privacy settings, and the second option is download. So you're going to click on download, and you're going to allow access, of course, and the TikTok Now will be saved to your gallery. Similarly, I'm going to save this one as well. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, click on download, and TikTok Now will be saved to your camera roll. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.